Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Nakshonong Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisim citayo ha kising sajanya Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kadon bunjai kirukom hikai ha kaliang ka tem kaput bat karwai kesiau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikana akibahan nyos nam senang kila banwan pentebit ha keneg music school bat amdan jinge nagam ta larang baru banwan pentebit ha keneg music school Menteri Rang Ba Jong Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ne kasing toding ulap pentip ba kasimpor hadu lais nem tangban penuan dor ya ka mining plan kepada tek ya ke Jela Meghalaya hapa pau ba da ka jios tang biang ya ka jingti duyong da ka komti ba thamai le ne da ka jing start science kan wan ra ru ya ka jing kelah baro kiliang Menteri Rang Ba ulap pau ya gane ha ka jing lang penku borom ya da ki nongti par duyong kum kadak jong ka jing itu ya ka jing tristom jong sarkar Jela ban la pensedang ya ka jingti duyong da ka start science kepala penloh ne kesingi hak lirian kibale don lang hakene kesingi kintup yo sembut Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela ba siau bahalang dhar bat ka MLA jong su tengah saipung ka kong santai miri Jela bat kiwe habakran ka jingilang Menteri Rang Ba ulong baga klip mat ya ka babaro kilai lumlang kalong ka bakong santam bat bansa khana pateng namar ka jingkhang ti duyong da ka NGT kala kata jur bahaya ka jingim jong ginong song shenong ka Jela khamtam ki pajba jong ka East Chanty Hills District Konrad kisang mau la pentip ba da jingweng no ya ka hukum khang ti doyong hadin ka hukum jong ka hing ka seri Supreme Court ka sarkar Jela ka penwan dor ya ka mining plan jong ka Jela ban budru ya ki kendon jong ka jingti ya ki marpok khendau hapadeng ka jing sengan bat ka jing yada ya ka memariang hakine gi license ki balalej Menteri Rang Ba ulong ba ngila tre sistem claim song thaj bat ka sarkar India banwan ra ya ka kom trikam ka balala ban pentrei tang hapo ka Jela Meghalaya hapa bu hakmat ya kejingnya per jong Jela nomor ki jaka ki puta hapo Meghalaya ki de jong upaj ba Menteri Rang Ba ulong ru ba ka jing pluandur ya ka mining plan ka bari thik tang ki Jela Meghalaya ka de kejinge ka bakrau ba la ka de ya ka sarkar India la ne ka sarkar Meghalaya kumju
Where there was a very difficult decision in front of me, in front of the entire cabinet. We have to decide whether we will challenge the ban on coal mining in Supreme Court. It was a very tough decision, not easy. The previous government had not taken any strong measure or step to ensure that the ban was lifted. Not enough work was done in the past, before 2018, to try and start the mining again. It was only in 2018 we came and we decided that we must challenge the ban put in by the AGT. But it's about the overall economic impact on the other sectors too. Apart from the other economic industries and sectors, we all know that the coal mining, once it starts, will have a huge impact on the overall employment in the state. Whether it's through direct employment through the mining sector or indirect employment through different sectors, many people will get livelihood from the coal sector coming up again and reviving. And indirect employment will also come up. There are some political parties that even at this stage are trying to play politics with the lives of the people and the livelihood of the people. Some of them make these statements saying that why is this government only giving mining lease to 4 people? What about the rest? Friends, we are not stopping anybody. Anybody can apply. But the process will have to be followed. You will have to get the license. You will have to get the lease. You will have to apply and clear the mining plan. This process is not something that you can bypass. So anybody who wishes can go ahead and get the mining lease.